2021, what a year.
It's been a big year for us, for you, and the whole world.
We've had lots of great events, we've had so many wonderful people join our community, and we've socially impacted the universe in a really great way. So we're going to spend the next couple of minutes
sharing with you a couple of highlights from our 2021. 2021 we had a handful of amazing speakers with a combined wealth of $1.352 billion.
We clocked over 33 events, 33 opportunities for our members to connect. 291 meals. We threw 342 axes.
Over the year, the team had more than 1,382 conversations. We had attendees from Germany, London, the USA, Gold Coast, Brisbane, Melbourne, Sydney, and everywhere along the east coast of Australia, and I think even Western Australia. We also had the highest return for one individual member from one opportunity was $220,000.
We brought in some beautiful and impactful business people into our community this year. Let's say good day to Murray,
David,
Lachlan,
Tim,
Reese,
Sasha,
Alicia,
Shashan,
Brian,
Matt,
Corey,
Tracy,
Damien,
who else?
Danny,
Jacob, Jason, Jeff,
David, Dean, Victor,
Gordo, Grant.
and if we've forgotten anyone, we love you and it's great for you to be here. And having a social impact is always been really important to us. 2021, we saved, in our partnership with the Australian Red Cross Lifeblood, 123 lives.
Wow. We also helped replant 508 coral fragmentations of damaged Great Barrier Reef.
We rescued 2,400 square metres of the Daintree rainforest, Australia's oldest rainforest, the world's oldest rainforest, through our partnership with Rainforest 4.
Yay!
That's a wrap. That's 2021 done.
And dusted, and we're looking forward to a huge 2022 and seeing you sometime in the year.
Bye!
Bye!